yourself comfortable, really comfortable, without forcing your body in any way. The least resistance in the body, and feel free to change positions. And becoming a little bit aware of the body breathing. Staying present to that. But we'll go a little further than just awareness of breathing. I'm going to introduce some Chinese Qong, simple exercises for healing the body. So sense or visualize that as you breathe in, there is fresh, healthy, vibrant energy entering your body through the nostrils, as well as through every pore of your body. Breathing in, it's almost like you're inhaling fresh prana, fresh chi through the breath and through all the pores of the body, going all the way into the belly, which is a place to store energy. So breathing in from the sun, from the trees, from the mountains. The earth, the lava. And I'm breathing in positive radiant energy all the way to the belly. And breathing out, you can let go of any stagnant, stale, toxic energy. It's almost like oozing out of you, going into the sofa and into the foundation of the building, and being almost like pulled out of you into the center of the earth. So it's two-part piece. Breathing in fresh energy from the universe, and breathing out stagnant, stale energy. Breathing in fresh, healthy, vibrant. Releasing stale, stagnant. So you don't even have to think about this, just breathing in and out, allowing this program purification command to run by itself. Just doing that. Usually the mind may produce thoughts, distractions, this or that. We notice and not stick to them. Coming back to just deeply present, the present, in and out, being nourished in breath, releasing fear, worry, doubt. You can, one can do this standalone exercise by itself. This is great to do somewhere in nature, next to a tree or next to a river. Then I would like to bring another exercise This is if some part of the body is not working well, or it's recovering, like after surgery or after any ailments, and some part of the body is not working so well. There's a tendency of the mind to be mean, frustrated, upset with that part. Like, man, what's wrong with you? I'm upset with you. Even if we don't think like this, subconsciously we may be impatient, frustrated with that. And actually this just sends negative stress into that area, which only delays the healing. So that's not how we would treat a child that is sick, being upset with them. So we can bring attention towards that part of the body that is recovering or is in ailment and stuff. Bringing attention to that part of the body. You can even, let's say, with one hand or kind of hold it lovingly, the part of the body that is not working so well. And first of all, let's give some gratitude. Let's change the tape. Like whatever, let's say if it's the hand or any organ, thank you. You can silently kind of thank you for working so hard all my life. Thank you for all that you've done. Thank you. With the hand especially, so much joy and so much beauty and so many things this hand did. So sending him some love and gratitude. As you do that, you can create also a little smile, inner smile, and smile at the hand, or that whatever part of the body is not working so well. Smiling and sending it. Like, thank you for all the hard work. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry for being mean and impatient towards you. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. I love you. Yeah, so we're giving appreciation, gratitude, apologizing for being impatient and mean. And assuring him it's whatever you need to do, I'm here for you. Take your time. I love you. Thank you for all the work. And after saying this a little bit, we can now silently smile, some kind of the energy from the heart, of love and appreciation. You can send this smile. You can smile towards that part of the body that is in recovery. You can also maintain this smile, like the Buddha had. This is an ancient Taoist method, inner smile. This could be done on any organ, like respiratory or stomach, or every skeletal part, or just on the area, there's a hand, shoulder, smiling to the joint, smiling to the bones, smiling. Also, there's some issue with the brain, smiling to the brain. Yeah, thank you for all your hard work. Thank you. And like this, you can just Google, the inner smile, Qong, inner smile. there are tapes like that. There's detailed explanation, but that's the essence of it. So instead of being mean, upset, frustrated, angry, like a bad parent, we are grateful, loving, patient. And I would do this together with other recovery therapies, some smile towards that area, in that area.